Unit 8, Chapter 13, Our Universe. The universe is everything that exists. The Earth is a part of the universe. So are the Sun and the Moon and all other planets. Stars, clouds of gas and dust are also parts of the universe. If we look at the sky in the night, we can see huge number of stars shining brightly. A star is a hot glowing ball of gases. Stars emit their own heat and light. To make it easier, people since ancient times have grouped stars together. These groups are called constellations. Some are named after animals, others are named after ancient heroes. Constellations. The constellations change their position in the sky. They move from east to west. Ursa Major, Orion, Big Dipper, and Cancer are some examples of constellations. There are 88 constellations across the sky. The Sun. The Sun is also a star. It is a giant ball of hot glowing gases. It is the closest star to the Earth. So enough heat and light reach us. As the other stars are far away from the Earth, we do not feel their heat. Without the Sun, there would be no life on the Earth. The Solar System. The Sun's family is called Solar System. There are some bright heavenly bodies that do not twinkle. These are called planets. The word planet means wanderer. The planets do not emit light of their own. They reflect only sunlight. There are 9 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. Planets are made up of rock, metal or gas. All the planets in the solar system revolve round the Sun in the same direction. The path of the planet around the Sun is called an orbit. Besides stars and the planets, there are other heavenly bodies which are called satellites. Satellites move around the planets. Satellites do not have their own light. They only reflect sunlight. For example, our own moon is the satellite of the Earth. It takes 27 days to orbit the Earth. The satellites of the planets are called moons. Solar System. Now, let us know the different features of planets. 1. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is the hottest planet. It takes 88 days to orbit the Sun. It has no moons. We can observe it with a naked eye. 2. Venus. Venus takes 225 days to orbit the Sun. It is the brightest planet. It has no moons. It is also known as morning star. 3. Earth. Earth is the only planet that supports life so far. It takes 365 and 1/4 days to orbit the Sun. It has only one moon, our own moon. 4. Mars. Mars is red in color. It takes 687 days to orbit the Sun. It has two moons. 5. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It takes 12 years to orbit the Sun. Jupiter has 16 moons. It can be seen easily with the naked eye. 6. Saturn. Saturn is characterized by rings. It takes 29.5 years to orbit the Sun. Saturn has more than 18 moons, more than any other planet in the solar system. It can be seen with the naked eye. 7. Uranus. Uranus takes 84 years to orbit the Sun. It has 15 moons. It can be seen with the naked eye. 8. Neptune. Neptune takes 165 years to orbit the Sun. It has 8 moons. 9. Pluto. Pluto is the farthest planet from the Sun. It is the smallest planet. It is the coldest planet. It takes 248 years to orbit the Sun. It has only one moon. Do you know? The ancient Maya people built temples to watch the Sun, stars and Venus.